Hi, I'm Mike, Product Application Specialist at Fluke. Now let's talk about something that's fundamental to any electrical work, current. So what is current? Current is the flow of electrical charge, typically through a wire, which is a conductor. Current is what powers your lights, your tools, even the phone or computer you're watching this on. Imagine electrical current flowing through a wire like water through a pipe. Voltage would be the pressure, and current is the actual flow through. The more current, the more energy is moving through the system. Any component that converts electrical energy into some other form of energy, like a lamp creating light or a motor rotating, uses current. As additional loads are added to the circuit must deliver more current to run them. We measure current in amperes, or amps for short. An amp is a large amount of current, so you may also see measurements taken in the milliamps, or thousandths of an amp, and even microamps, which are millionths of an amp. Why measure current? If too much current flows through a circuit, it can overheat wires and equipment. This can damage components, trip circuit breakers, or blow fuses. Measuring current helps you make sure everything is working safely and efficiently. It shows whether the equipment is drawing the right amount of power. And that's what current is. Thanks for watching.